I welcome you all in today's video. Today I'm going to talk about instantpot.com website, and in this video I will tell you whether it is legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website, and if you have never ordered anything from this website, then in this unbiased review you will get an answer to this question, that is, should I buy from it or not? Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then in this unbiased review, you'll get a way to get your money back. So watch this video till the end. Instantpot.com website provides you with kitchen appliances, and appliances include Instant Pot, air fryer lid, air fryer oven, coffee maker, blender, multi-cooker, rice and grain cooker, toaster oven, sauce vide, and so on. All of these products are in latest design and all of them are priced reasonably too. Now guys, no payment information is mentioned here, so no information was gathered regarding it. Now talking about the shipping timing, there is no such information available again, so we could not guess the shipping timing for the website. Now before talking about it further, I would like to request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let us talk about those important points on which we can judge this website to be a legit or a scam one. Talking about the website's HTTPS connection, we came to know that this website shows a valid HTTPS connection, which is a good thing. Coming to the website's age, we came to know that this website has existed for more than 11 years, which is a reliable thing. Now, talking about the About Us page, you will find all the necessary information regarding the websites and its origin here on the page. So About Us page is really informative. Coming to the prices, we could see reasonable prices for the products displayed on the website. However, we could not find any information regarding the payment options on the website. Now let us check some more details and let us see the Contact Us page for this website. So this is the Contact Us page, and here you can read all details regarding their contact, including the fax number, phone number, email address, office address, and so on. As you can see, the email address matches to the domain name, which is a good thing here, and their Contact Us information is also sufficient. Now talking about the social media presence for this website, guys, this website is active on different social media platforms including YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, etc. Now let us check the return policy given here for the website, and let us see what all things are given there. So here on the return policy page, you can read about the necessary information regarding return. Also, they will provide you 30 days in order to return your product in case you're not satisfied. Guys, if you have any experience regarding the return or refund policy of this website, then share it with us in the comment box below. Now coming to the customer reviews, we came to know that this website exhibits positive customer reviews, which is a good thing. Talking about the website's content quality, we could find enough content and content's quality was good. The About Us page of the website was really informative. Also, you will find detailed description for every product displayed on this website. Now giving a final verdict, guys, I would recommend this website to you, as this website is a legit one, and we found it legit based on its good social media presence, good customer reviews, and good content quality. I hope this video was helpful for you. Guys, do share your reviews about today's video in the comment box below. And if you want to get your money back wasted on scam websites, then check the link given in the description area. Guys, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.